Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a package from Zenpop.jp. This is their May 2020 subscription box. This is going to be interesting. It's been a while because of the COVID. There's been a lot of trouble with shipping lately, and now that is opening up again. So very excited to start receiving boxes from them yet again. And yeah, let's crack this open and see what's inside. So the first thing you see when you crack open the box is this information sheet. It holds all the keys to the kingdom when it comes to knowing how to cook and what to do with these things. If you don't know how to read Japanese instant noodle packaging, don't lose this. Also comes with a thank you note. No, thank you. Alright, so I'll go through each one of these one by one and give you a little bit of info on each. Alright, first from Sapporo Ichiban, we've got some Hakata Mentai Tonkatsu Ramen. Tabimen is a collection of 7 notable ramen dishes from Yokohama, Kitakata, Kyoto, Sapporo, Hiroshima, and Hakata. This month, you can recreate Hakata's famous mentaiko-flavored tonkatsu ramen in your own home. And here's another Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is Cupstar Shio ramen. Yeah, the Cupstar range has been around for quite a while, and yeah, this one is a salt ramen. Should be pretty good. Next up, we've got Myojo with their Chukazanmai Tantan Men. Now you can taste the famous Tantan Men from Akasaka Szechuan restaurant in Tokyo in your very own home. Mr. Chen, the founder of Akasaka Szechuan, is regarded as the god of Szechuan cuisine in Japan. Next up, an Ace Cook Cup Tamago Shoyu Ramen. So this is going to be a shoyu, which means soy sauce, and tamago means egg. So egg and soy sauce. Here's another Ace Cook variety. This is Acecooktaricoyakisoba. Tarako, or salted pollock roe, is one of the most popular delicacies in Japan. It's light pink in color, has a salty fish flavor, and an incredibly tender texture. Next up, we've got a Myojo variety, Kaketama Udon. Kaketama is a Japanese-style egg drop soup. It is a simple dish made with dashi stock, soy sauce, and salt. And finally, from Myojo, we have their tomato ramen. Have you ever tried banka or tomato-flavored ramen before? It's been a popular trend in Japan for a few years, and it's considered a healthy alternative to more traditional ramen. Tomato ramen may sound funky at first, but once you try it, your whole body will be pleased and very satisfied. Alright, so in the spring mixer pack for May 2020 from Zenpop.jp, you get tomato ramen, Hakata Mentai Tonkatsu, Cupstar Shio, Tamago Shoyu, Kaketama Udon, Chukazanmai Tantan Men, Acecooktaricoyakisoba, a thank you note, and your information sheet. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Zenpop.jp for shooting this over. Hey, if you want to get one, go over to Zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Alright, this has been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.